What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video today and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get a 12 months of Xbox Game Pass completely for free and completely legit. Let me show you how it's done. So I'm here with my phone and I'm gonna share the screen so you can see everything clearly. All we're gonna do is go to the web browser and look for the site. It calls enjoycoupons.com. Once we're on that coupon website, in a search bar, we have to look for the Xbox Game Pass free coupon code. So now we are here and we have to press the show coupon button. And then we have to press unlock code. You see, this code is unlocking, but we actually have to hurry up because there are just few coupons left. So now you see here's the list of offers we have to complete, but actually we need to complete at least 2 of them. I'm gonna choose this one. I have to download and complete level 9 within 30 days of installation to unlock this content. And another one, for instance, this one, have to install, open and register an account with your store email address to unlock this content. So guys, I'm gonna go and do this really fast so I don't have to waste your time. And I'm gonna come back. So now I'm done, and all I have to do is, after completing 2 offers below, I have to type done and click submit to receive your free coupon code. Here I have to type done and submit. Yeah, you see I received my personal Xbox promo code, and I wish you guys used your personal promo codes as well, and I do hope that this information was really useful for you. So see you guys in next videos and I wish you luck. Bye bye.